It's not often that a new skincare product reaches holy grail status immediately. Well, this is one for the books. It's called the Royal Tulip Nectar by Bloomeffects, and I'm going to tell you why. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and this sounds like your type of content, please do hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I didn't plan on doing a video today, but I simply could not let another day go by without telling you about my new favorite skincare product. Now, this is a brand that comes from Amsterdam, where the founder, her name is Kim, is married to a fourth-generation tulip farmer. So they conducted research with independent European labs, which, by the way, were funded by Dutch grants. And this research revealed that tulips have incredible benefits to the skin. They strengthen the barrier function by reducing transepidermal water loss. They stimulate collagen formation, yay, and they provide fatty acids that help to heal a compromised barrier. Now, they also contain amino acids which hydrate the skin, plus they are natural humectants, which means they lock the moisture in. Plus, they contain flavonoids, which are antioxidants that protect the skin. So all this goodness actually comes from the tulip bulb. I find this fascinating. So what they say about this product, they say it is the ultimate skin treatment. It's a healing ointment to serum, quench it all, moisture locking barrier that leaves your skin feeling nourished, plump, and soft. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking true. In addition to all the benefits of the tulip itself, it contains 30% glycerin. 30% glycerin, and if you come here, you know I'm a glycerin gal. I haven't seen any product that contains that much glycerin. It also has vitamin C for brightening the skin as well as protecting the skin. It also has peptides which plump up the skin and additional hyaluronic acid to hydrate. So how do you use it? Now, it's quite an unusual texture and an unusual product. This should be the last step in your routine. So if you use serums and moisturizers, this would go at the end. And depending on your skin, you may not need all or any of those sort of things. However, of course, I use them all. However, I made one pretty significant change to my routine because of this product. So I use this product in the evening, and ordinarily I finish off my routine with my beloved Augustinus Bader The Rich Cream. You'll know how much I love that product, and I am never without it. However, I find that I don't need both because they are so hydrating. So I moved my Bader to the morning, which is really unusual, and I use this in the evening instead. So I do my double cleanse, my mists, my serums, and my essences, and then I use a light moisturizer or a lighter balm, and then I use this at the end. So the consistency is sort of like a rich honey. Now, when you open it up, it may have a little bit of a separation to it. So I use this little spatula that it comes with, and you give it a good mix. So they say to use just a pea-sized amount. Now, I'm not going to lie, I use a little bit more than that, and then you warm it up in your hands until it has more of a serum consistency, and then you press it into the skin. Now, they say this repairs and heals, and you guys, it is so true. You wake up in the morning with the bounciest, most hydrated skin imaginable. I believe that the founder, Kim, suffers from eczema dermatitis, and using this product helped her completely get off of cortisone, so it made a real difference to her skin as far as the healing goes. So in the past few months, I've been suffering from some sort of skin issue right on my eyelids, and it's driving me absolutely crazy. It's not diagnosed. I haven't seen a dermatologist yet, although I'm close. I'm not sure if it's an allergic reaction, which sometimes happens to me with food. It can be a product reaction because, of course, I tinker a lot. But it looks to me like it might be eyelid dermatitis. Not really sure. But after only using this product 4 times, that is almost entirely gone. It's really quite shocking, actually. So if you have dry, itchy, flaky skin, if your barrier is compromised, if you have a sunburn or even a windburn, this is the product for you. Now, you can also use this as a mask by applying a more liberal amount and then removing it after 20 minutes or so with a damp cloth. And then you just tap in the excess. Personally, I use a liberal amount anyway, and there is absolutely no way I'm wiping this stuff off. It is like gold dust. I am completely obsessed with this product, guys, and it's not often that I say that everyone should try a product. I think everyone should try this product, particularly if you have dry, dehydrated, and mature skin. Now, I do fear I have opened Pandora's box. There are so many other products that I want to try from this range now. They have a sunscreen serum that looks amazing. There's the multivitamin dew drops, the tulip dew cream, and you know I want to try anything that has tinted lip and cheek on it. And this is a balm and I want to give it a go. Now I do also have the cleansing jelly. I received both of these products in PR and it is gorgeous. So I am now officially a Bloomeffects gal. And I have a discount code. So if you want to try this product or any of the other products, Skin Obsessed Mary will get you 20% off, which I will be using too. And here's the thing, I just saw on the website, and I'm fearing I'm missing it, that there's an opportunity to go and visit them in Amsterdam and to see the tulip farm in some way, somehow. I want to make that happen. So stay tuned. Maybe there'll be some kind of video coming down the road on that one. So guys, that is it for today's video. Short and sweet, but I just had to share. So tell me, have you tried this product? Why has nobody told me about it? And are there any other Bloomeffect products I need to try? Please tell me what I should try next. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye. Am I on? Am I on?
Yes, you are.
Okay.